by 0.6 of a second. Winner goes to...
This is it. This is basically the last track day of my time in the Pacific Northwest. I couldn't ask for a more beautiful day here to run the car. You know, with the new tires on there, I think that we're gonna run as fast as ever. And I'm just so thankful like for the weather and you know, I got some friends coming or whatever, just gonna try to have a good time. So a recap, again, I'm here to beat this guy. Whoever basically gets the fastest time wins. The thing is, we're not gonna tell each other what time we've ran until the very end. Super excited. Let me get everything ready to go in the car and we'll get on track. Now this was the first session of the day, so I was out there getting my mind warmed up, getting my tires warmed up, and all of a sudden I came up on Richard and I came on him quick. As soon as I saw how slow he was driving, I knew something was wrong. I can't believe this. On our first session,
It's right there.
Richard got a flat. Brand new tires.
That should be patchable.
Session 2. Richard is still down with a flat, but
By the end of session 2, I had already ran a personal best. I was feeling really good, and I knew that today myself and the car was capable of some really fast times. It was lap 4 of session 3 that I ran my fastest lap ever. Throughout the day, I was just having a great time. I did some lead follow with some incredibly fast cars, and I was even able to take some of my friends on track for their very first time.
Okay, well, I'd say a pretty successful day overall. I felt good with the patch. I had fun with my friends. I only went off track like twice. I will say these Goodyear 3Rs, until they get warm, they are a little bit slippery. If you just try to jump out there on like your first or second lap of a session and you try to take it like it's your, you know, 5th or 6th lap of the session, I was just sliding off track actually. One of them was so bad they gave me the black flag. So I wasn't in trouble. They just wanted to look at my tires and just make sure I was okay, you know. But again, we did run a pretty good time this morning. And now I think we're gonna find out who the winner was between myself and that Mopar racing guy. I'll say he's been like cheesing the whole day. I think he's ran at least a personal best. I'm not sure if it's enough to beat me. We're gonna find out here. So have we all given Patrick our times?
Giving Patrick my time.
The official time. Okay, I've given you the official time.
Before we announce this, I want to say that I really did give this my all. So there's no excuses today. If you won, congratulations, you beat me fair and square. So to all the viewers, there's no excuses. This is the real time. This is the best I could do.
And that's exactly what I said. Today was a great day. I think we were both on good tires.
Yeah.
The track was nice. It wasn't too busy.
Couldn't ask for better conditions.
Yeah, we got good, clean runs in today.
We do have a winner.
somebody has won. It wasn't a tie.
Somebody has won. It was an interesting race though. It was definitely closer than I thought it was going to be. So.
Me too.
Yeah. It's a good day.
That doesn't bode well. All right, let's have it. Who won?
All right. By 0.6 of a second. Winner goes to the All-American driver.
Ladies and gentlemen, what did I tell you? There was no way he could beat me. There was no way. I had no reservations at all that I was going to come out victorious.
It was close.
It's close.
I was surprised, yeah.
6/10, man. That's, come on, man.
I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the result. 0.6, that's a good thing. Good job. Way to go.